Affordable camping doesn't require expensive gear. Amazon offers budget-friendly equipment that may not rival high-end brands, but provides dependable performance, ideal for beginners. We've assembled cost-effective camping essentials, delivering great value for your outdoor adventures. Today's video features Amazon camping gear under $100. Let's explore these wallet-friendly options. For every camping scenario, a tent is a must, and for affordable camping, the Camel Crown Twers Tent is a good choice. Made from 190T polyester fly sheet and 150D Oxford cloth, this tent offers solid sun protection, resists wind, and stays dry even in unexpected downpours thanks to its water resistance of 200,000 plus. The 8.5mm glass fiber poles and 8 iron ground nails keep it stable in windy conditions, making it a sturdy option. Ventilation is top-notch with its dual-layer design and breathable screens, which keep the air circulating and reduce the chance of feeling stuffy inside. Weighing in light and packing down small, it's easy to carry around in its portable bag. Whether you're out for a weekend trip, hiking, or just camping in a backyard, this tent can do it all. It's a great pick for budget-conscious campers who still want durability and comfort around the $30 price point. A sleeping bag saves you from cold and the outside environment. In budget, the Sport Near Wearable Sleeping Bag is a real standout for comfort and convenience. This bag is packed with soft, breathable cotton that keeps you warm even when temperatures dip down to 20 degrees. The 210T polyester shell is tough enough to handle rain, snow, and dust, which is a must when you're out in unpredictable weather. What really sets this sleeping bag apart is its clever zipper design. You can easily free your arms and legs to move around without fully exiting the bag, which is super handy whether you're stoking the campfire or just stretching. Plus, it's machine washable, so after a muddy weekend in the woods, you can toss it in the wash and it's as good as new. Lightweight and easy to pack, it's a versatile choice for camping, road trips, or even a chill office for around $30. Camping and not cooking a meal does not bode well for many campers. Camping utensils and stoves cost a bit, but it doesn't have to be that way always. The Bisgear Cookware Stove Kit is affordable yet functional. This 16-piece set covers all the essentials for outdoor cooking, from a non-stick aluminum pot and frying pan to a mini stove with piezo ignition. The pots and pans are super easy to clean, which is a huge bonus after a long day on the trail. It also includes folding stainless steel utensils, spork, spoon, knife, along with 2 BPA-free bowls and a soup spoon, all of which pack down into a compact nylon bag. This set is lightweight and perfect for backpacking or family camping trips. And with everything in one place, you don't have to worry about forgetting any cooking tools. Easy to carry, reliable, and for just $23. Camping without a light source is quite impossible. For a budget option, the Dawn Rise LED lantern is surprisingly great. With 4 different modes: night light, flashlight, red light, and red warning mode. This lantern offers flexibility for just about any situation. What sets it apart is its dual functionality as both a lantern and flashlight, which means you're always covered whether you need broad light for the campsite or a focus beam for night walks. It's compact and lightweight at just 6.4 ounces, and the built-in 3,200 milliamp hours rechargeable battery lasts impressively long. It can even serve as a backup power bank, which is a lifesaver for charging phones. The Dawn Rise lantern is also tough with an IPX4 waterproof rating and a durable design that handles bumps and drops like a champ for a price tag of $14.99. You cannot make an outdoor sleeping setup without a sleeping pad. The Sho Sleeping Pad is a budget sleeping pad that provides a lot for its price. This pad, crafted from thick 40D rip-stop nylon with a TPU coating, is impressively durable and holds up against punctures. It has a built-in pump that inflates with a few foot taps. No more wasting breath or carrying extra gear. Deflating it is just as quick, making packing up a breeze. The one-piece pillow is a nice touch, It conforms to the neck and adds a bit of luxury even on uneven or wet ground. Measuring 77 inches. In length and 28 inches. In width, it provides ample space and feels like a real bed with an anti-leak TPU coating and a weight capacity of up to 440 pounds. It's a solid choice and costs around $27. Okay, that was our take on $100 budget camping gear on Amazon.